Good, Charlie. Good boy.
He just dropped it.
Good boy.
Hey, Mom, this is not.
I don't think he likes that. Okay, here. How about a peanut? Good. Can you eat the peanut?
Give it to him in his hands. Give it to hold it. Give it to him to hold it.
I have no idea what's in this thing. Where?
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Give it to him to hold it.
You don't want it?
Let him hold it.
You want this peanut? You want the peanut? He's throwing it on the floor. Charlie. Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Charlie! Happy birthday!
Credit karma. Credit karma. Credit karma.
You're having that much fun with this bird?
You want to take that home too?
Oh, no, you're not taking that home. You're going to have to fight Dr. Thomas for that.
This one?
Oh,
Charlie?
yeah.
Charlie?
After he saw,
Can you say your name? Charlie?
That one's a boy, I think that
No,
one's a boy.
I mean Dr. Thomas.
Dr. Thomas.